Do you long for the drink that'll quench that desert thirst? Then Fat Bantha really isn't the beverage you've been looking for. That said, once you get past the hair and the smell, it's pretty decent. So today, we're going to build a cooling system that'll actually enhance the flavor of this gruesome swill. And we're going to Star Wars the Bantha out of a cooler. That's coming up. Oh. What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian, and welcome to the Smugglers Room. This week, this chubby geek is talking about the Bantha, that large hairy mammal with the spiral horns that's most often seen on Tatooine. They're a social herd animal, often used by the Tusken Raiders, which you know as the Sand People. They were used as mounts or companionship, but other people use that species to create bantha steaks, butter, furniture, and more. But we at the Smugglers Room don't believe in all of those things. We simply use them for beer. Fat Bantha Beer. Now, we partnered with the Mos Eisley Brewing Company, and I can't and won't go into all the ways that we make this Fat Bantha Beer, but you can rest assured it's almost worth it. That brings us to today's build. We needed a way to properly cool this smelly, untasteful brew that is Fat Bantha Beer. We needed a cooling system built with the same care and attention a Corellian might show with a newly designed YT-1300 freighter. I mean, coolers are neat, but they don't look like much. And at the Smugglers Room, we just can't tolerate that kind of object treatment. And besides, Fat Bantha Beer, though gross, still needs a cooling system that says, yes, I've been Star Wars'd, and now you're jealous that your cooler sucks. Attaching the correct decor to your cooler is no easy feat, my friends. It takes patience, planning, and most importantly, don't drill all the way through the cooler wall to the cooler inside, as that most certainly defeats the purpose of an insulated cooler. Go slow. She's delicate. You mustn't forget, my friends, that nothing in the used universe is new. So to make our cooling system match the old worn taste of Fat Bantha Beer, we must apply weathering to our cooling system with either liquid latex, mustard, toothpaste, or other chipping effect applications. Proper advertising identification is also a must. Also, don't forget your completely fake heat displacement system that has no purpose other than to add weight to your already full and heavy cooler. It's critical to give the cooler that I have a purpose feeling, even without a purpose. Fat Bantha Beer requires a precise cooling temp. This means we need a control unit based on the back of an old TV that your friend Travis and the rest of the Bryan family have provided. This sophisticated system offers no real control over the temperature of your cooling system. It simply adds a design that's maybe not so carefully laid out on acrylic and then adorned with LEDs and other random bits that serve no purpose. Overall, this extra work does nothing to improve the quality of the refreshment, but it will give the impression that the unit is more complicated than it is. Thus, it gives you more credit than you probably deserve. At last, we have the electronics, a simple yet effective way to give your cooler an appearance of functionality that it is sorely lacking. With these 3 lights, you will dazzle your friends into thinking, you know, Fat Bantha Beer really does taste pretty decent, as they are blinded by the LEDs that are too bright and serve no purpose. I am more than certain that each and every one of our Patreon members has enough class not to drink Fat Bantha Beer, but they do have passionate hearts and are supporting each and everything that we do at the Smugglers Room. We can't thank you enough. There's no way we can share how much we appreciate your contribution, and if any of you would like to join our amazing Patreon community, you can follow the links in the description below. Thank you, patrons. You are so amazing. Friends, let us agree to disagree that it is not so much the quality of your beverage, but the manner in which the beverage is chilled and then retrieved, whether that be in the desert of Tatooine, the forests of Endor, or in your own backyard. But I'll let you in on a little secret. Come here. For a limited time, we're going to have Fat Bantha gear available on our website starting this weekend. So go to thesmugglersroom.com, sign up, and you'll get a notification. And then you can have your own filthy, disgusting Fat Bantha Beer gear. And we'll see you next time we build something out of nothing.
Clothes are falling off.
Oh, what the neighbors must think of us right now. And go! Do it again! Pump your fist! That is a sand person hiding behind my tree.
Too much pumping. Okay.
Too much pumping.
Ready?
Go! Do it! Go ahead!